Okay, question 1 from 6.3. 3 randomly selected children are surveyed. The ages of the children are 2, 6, and 7. Assume that the samples of size n equal 2 are randomly selected with replacement from the population 2, 6, and 7. Listed below are the 9 different complete samples. All right, so first of all, find the value of the population variance. So if I just hit this little button here, it will bring up all of the samples in StatCrunch. We need the variance for the population, where the population ages are either 2, 6, or 7. Okay, and to figure out the variance, we're going to hit stat summary columns. You're going to hit var5, and you're not going to hit variance here. You're going to hit unadjusted variance. Hit compute, and then that will give it to you. So the 4.6 repeated, rounded 3 decimal places will be 4.667. Check answer. All right, check answer. Good job. Okay, part B, find the variance of each of the 9 samples, then summarize the sampling distribution of the variance in the format of the table representing the probability distribution of the distinct variance values. So again, we're going to open up StatCrunch. Okay, it's going to give us this information. The information we want to look at is column 1 and column 2. Okay, we're going to hit stat summary. You're going to hit rows this time, and we're going to do X1, hit Control X2. That'll give you both of those rows. And this time we do want the variance. Okay, we'll hit compute. Okay, and so now we want the probabilities of each of these. So if we hit the drop down, let's start with 0. So how many of these are 0? 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 9. Probability is 1/3. Next, let's do 0.5, because 1 and 6.3 doesn't show up on there. So 0.5, that's 1, 2, 2 out of 9. The next one, let's do 8, because 8 shows up here once, twice. That's 2 out of 9. And the last one is 12.5. And that's 2 out of 9. All right, so let's check to see if that works. Check answer. That worked. Okay, part C, find the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample variance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the part from part B that we found, okay, and we multiply all of these together. So I'm going to get 0. Half of 1/9 is, or half of 2/9 is 1/9. 8 times 2/9 is 16/9. And 12.5 times 2/9 is 25/9. Then I'm going to take the sum of all of these. So if I add all these together, I'm going to get 42 over 9. 42 over 9. And 42 over 9 is roughly equal to 4.667, which, if you notice, that is the same answer that we got for part A. So let's type that in. .667. Check that. Okay. And then part B, based on the preceding results, is the sample variance an unbiased estimator of the population variance? Why or why not? So it's going to be unbiased if part A and part B are equal to each other. If they're not equal to each other, then it's going to be biased. So let's see, the sample variance targets the population variance, therefore, such as the sampling variance is an unbiased estimator, so that looks like it's it. B and C are both does not. D is a biased, it's not biased. So that is how you do question 1 there.